Fully automatic sawing of different orders is the specialty of the production saw vario speed. In other words, the changeover between orders is done without operators. To quickly stack a large variety of always different cut pieces without damaging them into a container within the cycle time of the machine has been quite labor-intensive in the past. With the Kasto sword, the saw specialist from the Black Forest offers a highly flexible handling system that fits the saw and relieves the operator. Robot systems have been used for years successfully with machine tools where only a limited number of pieces needed to be sorted and stacked. The programming of new orders or the learning of new workpiece dimensions got expensive very quickly. The operator had to learn the necessary know-how, or the programming had to be purchased at a later time. Not so with the Kasto sword. The user can operate a saw with Kasto sword the same way as a saw without Kasto sword, where the cut pieces are collected as bulk material. The existence of a separate robot control is not important for the operator. After the usual entry of material dimensions, the system automatically generates a new robot program with each saw order. The result? If always new material sizes are cut with a saw with Kasto sword, the robot calculates travel distances always a bit different and never travels with one part twice the same way. Which means not only 10, 20 or 30 different cut piece dimensions can be processed, as done with classic robot systems, but every one of them. Truly all material sizes that can be cut on the vario speed can be stacked by the Kasto sword without any additional programming. Also, the decision which gripper is needed for which order, when a gripper change takes place, and how the parts are optimally positioned in the containers is done with the Kasto sword completely automatically. The saw control, techno control, is the only interface to the operator. The deposit pattern of the cut pieces in the containers is automatically optimized for maximum space utilization. After the cutting process, the operator can remove the pallets with the cut pieces stacked properly for transportation, guaranteeing a much shorter packing time. Monotonous, time-consuming and, especially with heavy cut pieces, physically challenging restacking in containers is no longer necessary. At any time, the operator can see at the techno control how many cut pieces are already placed in which container and how many more cut pieces will fit. This eliminates not only that containers are overloaded by weight or volume, but also the manual counting of cut pieces. With the defined transport of the cut pieces, there is hardly any coolant or chips in the containers, and the tight stacks reduce possible transport damage to the material. With the enormous variety, some weigh just a few grams and have the size of a coin, some weigh several hundred kilograms and are stacked on pallets, the utilization of several grippers is necessary. Here, up to 16 grippers can be used: vacuum grippers, pneumatic grippers and magnets. The Kasto sword does not only just change grippers automatically, but also decides which gripper is used for which cut piece. By using highly accurate grippers and robots, the interface of processing stations like milling, turning or deburring units is possible without any problems and definitely increases the efficiency of these systems. Here we see the interface to a test deposit station, through which test pieces with a constant length are moved out. An integration of automatic test stations to measure lengths, to test for hardness, to visually check material, or the integration of a scale would be the consistent expansion of such a system up to a fully automatic 100% control. Kasto sword at Kasto vario speed. Palletizing of all cutoffs without any need for programming.